Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you the AC compressor, clutch, fuse and relay locations. So you want to check those in case your AC is not working. This is the first thing you can do, and you can do it by yourself, and it's quite easy and cheap to fix, right? If that's not the problem, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. You will have to make sure that AC refrigerant is charged up, there is no leaks from the AC lines, and that the AC compressor is working. But like I said, start by checking the fuse and the relay. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now this is a 2014 and there was a facelift in 2015, but still I believe the distribution of fuses will be the same. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Both the AC fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To remove this cover, there's like a black tab on top. Just press it and leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a fuse diagram, and this red piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number F27, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here, responsible for power to AC compressor clutch. And the relay you want to check, it's relay number R11, which is just down here. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can try to replace it with one of the same kind. There's a couple of them in this fuse box, and if that fixes it, then you just have to buy a new relay and replace it. And if not, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you have to make sure that the AC is charged up, there is no leaks, and that the AC compressor is working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.